Today, October 23, we take the longest Skyrail in the world. We start at the very nice Pacific Hotel in downtown Cairns with a delicious buffet breakfast. As you can see, mine was all fruit. The Karunda Skyrail is about 7.5 kilometers long and makes a few stops for you to explore a few interesting things on the way to Karunda village. We took the optional train down to Cairns in gold class as it has better seating, more room, along with beer, wine, or anything else you'd like to drink in unlimited quantities, along with the cheese and cracker tray. Very good.
Traveling Europe by yourself or Australia by yourself?
Skyrail experience.
Is that ever gorgeous?
That's that water park they were talking about, where you can go on a cable and they pull you around.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
At least here we're not zinging along.
And more up at the cable car. It's beautiful. Having a great time.
Yeah. And it was alright, but it's not like, you just can't get that many places with it, you know. Whereas Europe, you can get everywhere by train.
Canopy glider. That would have been cool to be in an open air one.
Oh, wow.
I wonder if you have to book that one separately, and maybe you have a guide on there with you.
Yeah, that'd be good, yeah.
Listen to the insects.
Yeah. Definitely looking a little bit jungly down there.
As I hold my phone out the window and hope I don't drop it.
Yeah. Gotta be careful in that because of the sort of the canopy.
There we are at the first drop-off point. And we're on a walking tour from here on through for a bit. Beautiful lush forest.
than I thought it was going to be.
And there is the falls we will be taking a walk to. From up here, it is beautiful.
We think
Naturally,
this is
it's a little on the dry side, so the falls aren't big, but it's beautiful to come to. And over on the other side is the Karunda train that we will be coming back on. What a beautiful view. Just a different perspective of some of the falls and the big pools down below. Beautiful area over in here. And for those interested, this is what we are standing on, how it was built. Not sure how they got this stuff up here, possibly by helicopter, but it's quite the beams. Whether anyone can see, right there in that pool of water is somebody swimming. I have no idea how in the fuzz they got up here. It's just rock everywhere. I'm guessing probably hiking.
So this is where...
Here we are crossing
I'm sure... Yeah, I'm just
the
shocked.
river on the Skyrail, coming into Karunda village.
Look at that, it's one large river.
That's me. Skyrail stop. As you can tell, they give us a little bumpy ride in. And here we have an Aborigine playing, believe it or not, it's a piece of pipe. Nothing more than a piece of black ABS pipe, but you sure can play a number on it. And there is the little riverboat that we'll be going on the world's most ancient tranquil waters. Degrees in the caves. Here it's not quite as cool, or warm I should say, and a very nice breeze.
And this river, the Barron River, it actually starts from like an extinct volcano, like a big blowhole from a volcano. If you go about 130 kilometres upstream, which is to our left, there's a big mountain, Mount High Pippini. It's got a little stream kind of on it, that's where the Barron River starts. If you flew into Cairns, this is the river. You see his little head bobbing up and down on the stick? Where those sticks come, you see they cross over the bottom. I think I can see it.
And down below is the Karunda rail village, or rail stop, whichever. It's here that we get on the train to go back into Cairns, I guess it's called, and it will take us right into Central Station, where we come in on the main train.
Okay, waterfall. The waterfall in the car. Wonderful. Let's look at that side. That waterfall right, waterfall in that side.
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
Something about waterfalls, I love it.
I don't want to. Hey, there's something fun about this.
And so tonight we're on a little ride on the white taxis. We're in the one behind. Sis and I. It's cool. Loving it. It's a heck out of walking sometimes. While we're riding around on the white cart, just a little tidbit of information. Our driver happens to be from London, Ontario. Wouldn't you know?